Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 8 count. The final week down. So we did a bunch of swing outs and we actually just asked you to do them a lot better. And after much work, you did.
Yes.
It was really good.
We like broke it and then we built it up again.
That's right. And it was beautiful and shiny and new. So forged in the fires of much effort, leaders go like this.
1, 7, 8, 1.
Yeah, at the end, you're going 7, and on 1, you stay there. So when we swing out, this is my angle, not this. I'm here. Bop. I'm here, and I stay there. That really helped connect things. It really made one swing out go better to the other. Followers.
Followers, we talked a lot about continuing that way while turning. 2 separate things that happen at the same time. You can do it. You are not stopping yourself there and not like swooping yourself around the leader. Or leaders have to pick you up and swoop you around. You continue and you get caught. Your back gets caught there. Continue that way.
Break the tape, as it were, right? Finish to the finish line. That was really, really good. When y'all did that, it made a huge difference. We also talked about that swing rhythm, so not being a little lazy with it, but a little bounce in your body. Making it swing really made it better. Thanks for the swing action. And then we also taught you points, which, don't forget, it goes like this, foot and hand in. You go in, out, in, stomp off and you dance. For the record, you don't tap your foot 3 times. That's kind of dorky. So it's in, out, not, that's too much. Just in, out, and hey, 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 that's points. That was a great job, everybody. And woo, woo, woo.